Yeah, so you should have guessed, but we're in Benalmadena. Benalmadena. So yeah, we're in Benalmadena. And we're walking actually from Benalmadena Sunset Beach, which is right on the start or the end of it, the opposite end of from the marina. And we're walking to the marina, and then probably, we've not told the children, but probably carry on into Torremolinos. So there you go. Right, well, we've made it just into Torremolinos, the side closest to Benalmadena, just past the marina. Pretty much 100 yards past the marina and you're into Torremolinos. It's still early. The sun is playing havoc with this. So, apologies. If you find any of this remotely useful, do me a favour, give it a like. And the bell for notifications and all that jazz. Cheers! We are almost home from today's excursion. I think we left about 9 o'clock this morning to Torremolinos and we walked back. We've just had lunch at Tony's bar. Just a little lunch, 2 pizzas between 4. It was okay. The girls scored them 10. Did you score it 10, Lily? That's a 9. That's a parenting fail on us, because it was melted cheese and ham, so you can't really go wrong. But it wasn't great. The service is like, it's one of them places where I think they gauge their service based on how much you're spending. So once we'd given our order in, they became a bit grumpy all of a sudden. We're nearly home. Afternoon at the beach.